wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna.
Hey guys, welcome to the cinematic trailer video of our Goa trip. So let me take you to the virtual tour to Goa. Are you guys ready? Let's go.
And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me. You just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. Got me. Got me. Can I feel you? Got me. Got me. Can I feel you? I don't wanna call you. I don't wanna know what you think.
If you really want to enjoy the beauty of Goa, you should explore at night so that you will understand why Goa is the party town of India, full of lights, music, dance, and all. And also a short message to those who are saying you have a beautiful and happy life. If you want happiness, don't expect anything from anyone. Try to make this world a better place for all. Show some love, explore more, gather knowledge. That's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If so, do subscribe and support. And if you wanna see the full Goan vlog, there is a playlist on our channel. Check it out. Bye bye.